Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sort an array, how you can sort array using alphabets as well as number, and how it is different sorting array with alphabet compared to a number. So let's get started. Subline text. Okay. Now here let's save this first. As sorting dot html, and let's save it to desktop. And after this we script where array alphabets is equal to m c a w r t k, and that's it. And after this console dot log array alphabets dot sort, and that's it. Now we'll save it and let's run it. Open with Google Chrome. So let's open console, right click, inspect console, seven arrays. Okay, you can see this, it starts from A, C, K, M, R, T, W. So it sorted this array in ascending order. But what if we change it to a number, and let's see what happens if I'll change it with number. Let's 30, 2, 7, 6, 100, 50, 70, 5, 60, 1, and after this array number, and let's save it. And now let's run it again, and let's see. Inspect console. Okay, so as you can see this, how this sort function sorted the number. It didn't sorted the number in ascending order, but it gave the preference to the first digit of a number. So you can see this 1, 1, 2, 35, and this is how it looks. But what if I want to sort it in ascending order? You can do one thing, and that is go here, cancel. Okay, number dot function number 1, number 2, sorry, and after this it will be return number 1 minus number 2, and that's it. Let's call now this array number here, and that's it. Let's save it, and now if I'll run it again, inspect, console, okay, 10 array with 10 value got loaded, and let's click here. Now you can see this 1 2 3 5 1 2 5 6 7 30 50 60 70 100. This is how it got loaded, and before this the array got loaded not in ascending order, but it gave the preference to the first digit of a value. So that's it, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.